Don't overcomplicate the Autodesk Assistant. It's there to help guide you through and boost your productivity. Here are 3 examples where Fusion can help guide you through the manufacturing workspace. First of all, it can help you find strategies you may not know the name of, in this case needing support finding our solution for constant engagement roughing. It will point out the relevant solutions and how they work with some tips in there too. Another example is that you might struggle to find the right toolpath to finish a certain feature. So describe the feature and it will give you recommendations like the flat toolpath for flat regions with top tips to follow. To take it further, you can also ask it to describe how to create the toolpath and use each setting. And finally, how to make changes to a toolpath like removing the lead-in radius so you can wrap it all the way in to keep your machine moving as fast as possible. Have a go with the Assistant and see where it can help you learn more about Fusion.